Little trail, little birdhouses there. How many of them coming around? Get down through the woods here. Little trail I cut out back last winter. You can't even get through here in the summertime with all the stumps and logs. You can this time of year. Ooh, it's nice. Tucked into the woods here. Go to the wind. So I want to give you a little tip here, because lots of people are starting to use these hiking poles and that. Okay, we all get the strap here. So my tip for you is don't put your hand from above that you're like this. Okay? There's no strap in your hand. What happens is when you're hiking, all right, if you fall, your hand comes forward, you brace yourself, and 9 times out of 10 that handle's gonna come down on your knuckle thumb and shatter it. So what you wanna do, come up through and then down. And that way if you fall, the handle comes away from you. You know you got it right when it's across your palm. So what that does too is it distributes the weight across your palm and onto your wrist. So more comfortable. You don't actually have to grasp. You can pretty much hold it with 2 fingers. All right, so just remember, up from the bottom and not from the top. If you do come down through the top, what you can do is give your hand a spin. Just make sure that that strap is across your palm for when you go. All right. That's it. That's all I got for this video. You can turn it off or you can go refresh your drink. We're going to take a run down around the corner here and see how far it is, and we'll brook the cross. We'll see how that all pairs out. So, go get a drink. Come back. I'll wait. I'll wait for you. No, I'm not waiting for you. Pause the video. I'll see you in a bit. Yeah. Whew. Snowy. Snowy. These trees usually aren't laying down. Get up there. Which way? Yeah. Anyway, updates. This is near the end of January 2021. As I say, year of the COVID. Episode 3. So, third year, the COVID. Walks through the woods. It's coming down good. As long as the wind's to my back. Alright. So, anyway, I know it's been quiet for my YouTube channel lately. There's been a lot going on. As always, I had the COVID. I did get it. Knocked me out for a few days. I am double vaxxed, but I'm not going to get into that one. Let's keep it outdoorsy, snowshoey fun. Ooh. A nice spot to set up a hot tent. Hope to get a couple of them trips in. I need a 40. Yeah. It's a little snowy. Woo! What a day to be curled up in a hot tent. Drinking some Cabot Trail and cooking Costco bacon. Ain't nothing better. Whew. Alright. Coming up here. Bam, bam. The only tracks I'm seeing on our road are snowmobile. You guys really got to pick up the pace. I keep having to come back for you. Anyway, work my way back to the cottage. Maybe have myself a little drink. So, woo, this is it. That's a little hunt. Run around the yard there. The snowshoes. Snowing. There we go. Woo. All right. So, down here at the cottage for the weekend. Playing around, having some fun. Hope you're all getting out. Hope to get out and have a hot tank camping trip this coming month, February. We'll wait and see. In the meantime, I'll post this up, and I'm on all the silly things now. Instagram, TikTok, and the YouTube. TikTok gets videos fairly quick, along with the Instagram. That's probably the most popular one for people to follow. In the meantime, check out my YouTube, like and subscribe if you like it. And big old drift up on the roof there, probably 5-footer. She's still coming good. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe, share if you like, and we'll see you on the next adventure. One last thing before you go. You're snowshoeing. If you can, as possible, nobody's going to steal them. Keep your snowshoes in the snow. All right. You'll get them climatized, so when you do go to use them, they won't freeze up. Mine are aluminum, so you bring them out. If they're wet or warm, they'll get wet, and then ice will build. So, it's the last tip for today. Store your snowshoes outside if you can in the weather. All right, take care, everybody. Cheers. Get out there and have fun.